Hello and what's up everyone? So, yesterday I uploaded a video about our trip going to Gimtugtan. It is one of the spring resort here that you can find in our island here in the Philippines. And of course, if you're going to place like a resort or any tourist spot in your country, of course you're going to bring your camera, right? So I brought my Fuji XT2 with the 16mm f1.4. So here are the sample photos. Thanks for watching, guys. So that's the photos that I took there. It is some kind of a nature photography. There are the flowers, the place, the water is really clean. It's crystal clear actually. Right, so anyway, so tomorrow I will be uploading a video that's showing you the photos that I took in Boracay last 2 weeks ago. So if you like my video, please hit the like and consider subscribing. Right, so see you again tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.